Welcome to PFCU's Business Banking video on how to add users. In this video, I'll step you through the process of adding business users, managing their access, and provide an overview of user options within business banking. PFCU sets up the primary admin for each business and can optionally set up secondary admins. Then, primary and secondary admins can add and manage business users. First, enter your username and password to log in. Then, go to the Additional Services menu and click Manage Users from the drop-down. On the next page, you'll click Add a User. Enter the user's name, phone number, and email address in the User Details section. If you have multiple tax IDs, choose a business to see linked accounts and set access. To give a user the same access that you have, click Copy My Access. To give full access to all accounts for a selected TIN, click Select All for this tax ID, or click to see a list of levels, then check off anything you want the user to do. Make sure to verify the access selected for each savings and checking before going to the next section. Under Set Access for all accounts, you can give user access for bill pay, the business mobile app, online statements, and payments reports. Finally, set limits on wires and/or ACH either by checking the box to apply company limits to grant the maximum limits approved for the business, or enter a lower amount. When you're done setting all access levels for the user, click Save. If there is at least one secondary admin, the user's status will say Set up pending approval. If there are no secondary admins, the user's status will be active and they will be sent 2 emails with a temporary username and password. At least one secondary admin must approve the new user before they can log in. This can be done from the My Approvals widget on the Accounts page and also in the mobile app. If needed, you can place a temporary hold on a user by clicking the slider button under Grant Access. This changes the user status to On Hold and prevents logins. Slide it back to allow access again. If you click the Options link next to a user, you can print the user's access and limits, edit the user's access levels, reset the password by phone or text, generate an access code for the user, or delete the user from business banking. And that's how to add and manage users. Thanks for watching.